Welcome to Natural Nostrums. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone navigating a gluten-free lifestyle: hidden sources of gluten. You might think you've got gluten figured out, but there are sneaky ingredients lurking in everyday foods that could derail your dietary choices. In this video, we'll uncover some surprising culprits, from sauces and dressings to processed snacks and even certain medications. Understanding these hidden sources is essential, not just for those with celiac disease, but for anyone looking to improve their overall health. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions and avoid gluten traps. So, stick around as we explore the unexpected places gluten can hide and empower you to take control of your diet. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. When it comes to processed foods, many people are surprised to learn just how often gluten sneaks in. Common items like sauces, dressings, and snacks can contain hidden gluten ingredients that aren't immediately obvious. For instance, gluten is frequently used as a thickener or stabilizer in products like soy sauce, salad dressings, and even some soups. This means that even if a food seems gluten-free at first glance, it could still contain gluten lurking in the ingredient list. That's why it's crucial to read labels carefully and look out for gluten-related terms such as wheat, barley, and rye. By being vigilant and informed, you can better protect yourself from unintentional gluten consumption. So next time you're shopping, take a moment to check those labels and ensure your choices align with your dietary needs. When it comes to condiments and sauces, many people don't realize how often gluten is hiding in these flavor enhancers. Common examples include soy sauce, marinades, and even certain salad dressings. Gluten is frequently used in these products as a flavoring agent, which can make it challenging for those avoiding gluten to enjoy their favorite meals. For instance, traditional soy sauce is made from fermented wheat, making it a no-go for gluten-sensitive individuals. To navigate this tricky terrain, it's essential to seek out gluten-free alternatives whenever possible. Many brands now offer gluten-free soy sauce, dressings, and marinades that can add the same delicious flavor without the gluten. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy your meals worry-free while staying true to your dietary needs. So, keep an eye out for those gluten-free options next time you're shopping. When it comes to beverages, many people are surprised to learn that gluten can be hiding in some of their favorite drinks. For instance, beer and malt beverages are well-known sources of gluten, as they are typically brewed from barley and wheat. Even certain flavored coffees can contain gluten if they use malt flavoring or additives derived from gluten-containing grains. The brewing process itself can introduce gluten, making it essential for those with sensitivities to be cautious. Fortunately, there are plenty of gluten-free beverage options available. Look for gluten-free beers made from alternative grains like rice or sorghum, and opt for pure coffee or tea without added flavorings. Additionally, many brands now offer gluten-free flavored drinks that are both delicious and safe for your diet. By choosing wisely, you can enjoy a refreshing beverage without the worry of hidden gluten. Cross-contamination is a significant concern for anyone avoiding gluten, as it can easily occur during food preparation. Shared cooking surfaces, utensils, and equipment can introduce gluten into otherwise safe foods. For example, using the same cutting board for bread and vegetables or frying gluten-containing items in the same oil can lead to contamination. Even something as simple as using a knife that has touched gluten-containing foods can pose a risk. Common kitchen practices, such as not thoroughly cleaning surfaces or using shared toasters, can also contribute to this issue. To minimize the risk of cross-contamination, it's essential to be vigilant in your food preparation methods. Designate specific utensils and surfaces for gluten-free cooking, and always clean thoroughly between tasks. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure that your meals remain safe and gluten-free. When you think of gluten, food is usually the first thing that comes to mind. However, gluten can also be found in some unexpected products that you might not consider. For instance, certain cosmetics, medications, and vitamins can contain gluten as an ingredient or as a binding agent. Gluten is often used in non-food products for its thickening and stabilizing properties, making it essential to be aware of what you're using on your body. Items like lip balms, lotions, and even some over-the-counter medications can pose a risk for those with gluten sensitivities. Therefore, it's crucial to check labels beyond just food items. Always read the ingredient lists on your cosmetics and supplements to ensure they are gluten-free. By being diligent about what you use, you can better protect yourself from unintentional gluten exposure. In today's video, we've uncovered the often overlooked hidden sources of gluten that can impact your health and dietary choices. From processed foods and condiments to beverages and unexpected products like cosmetics and medications, gluten can be lurking in places you might not expect. It's crucial to be aware of these hidden sources to avoid unintentional gluten exposure, especially for those with sensitivities or celiac disease. By taking proactive steps, like reading labels carefully and choosing gluten-free alternatives, you can better manage your diet and enjoy your meals without worry. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from it. Together, we can spread awareness about hidden gluten and empower others to make informed dietary choices. Thank you for watching.